In this video, I want to show you how to use desktop fasteners or figure-8 fasteners to attach a top to your base that also allows for wood movement. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to grab a 5/8 inch Forstner bit. So for these, I'm going to do 1.5 inches. Mark a little line, 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to work on setting my bit. I like to let it overhang just a little bit. Another thing that I've seen work really well is to take another piece of wood and put it right here. Gets you a really clean edge. I'm going to take our figure-8 fastener here, set it in place. So I'm going to be using an 1-inch long wood screw instead of the screws that it came with. So perfect right there. And the thing about these, why they're so great, is that you put your top on here and your top is going to expand and contract with weather, humidity, all that stuff. These allow it to move back and forth as that happens. So that way, if you put 4 of these on your legs here, they will all move in conjunction as your top expands and contracts. Now that I have all 4 figure-8 fasteners on the bench, I'm going to flip it up, put it on here, and make sure that it's all evenly spaced, and then attach them. And just like that, that's not going anywhere. And there you have it. Bench top attached.